We are opening a brand new store for Goodwill. It's called the Plaza. It's taking the small Macleod Trail store. It was only 5,000 square feet. We were open up one that's 15,000 square feet now. The inside, it's a little different than our normal Goodwill. It's a little bit of boutique-ish in areas, and it's just a big, wide open space for more customers to enjoy.
We've been in the Macleod Trail area for over 20 years. Our small little store across the street that we're transitioning to this bigger location has been our most successful store in the entire province for several years now, at least 9 years. But with the team coming from that location, I have no doubt whatsoever that this store will be equally as successful. And it's just a more up-to-date, beautiful site that's been brought up to our brand image, and our customers are truly excited, our staff are truly excited. It's just one more step in getting into the right size stores with the right image.
We have a lot more room to process those amazing donations that we get, and sometimes when you're in a smaller location, some of those donations we have to divert back to other locations because we don't have room in the smaller ones. Now we can just take it all, and we have room for it all. We can really showcase some of the high quality donations that we get as well. We have our little treasure island. We just didn't have that in our smaller space.
The leadership that's been in that store for the past 7 years has been incredible. They have a real eye for making a store look fantastic, regardless of the fact that it's a tiny space with limited ability to really make it look fancy. They found a way. The second, and probably one of the most important reasons, is the quality of donations that we receive in this area. The Macleod Trail store would receive some of the highest quality donations in the province as well, which really gave the opportunity for that store to showcase some beautiful things that people wanted.